Hello and welcome to this video about the Emego Assistive Switch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Emego unit with the Frontalis muscle or the forehead muscle. We're going to aim for around the centre of the forehead and we'll activate the switch by moving our eyebrows up and down. So anyone with movement in their eyebrows, particularly for patients with MND, for example, can use this switch to communicate, so by using AAC software as well as environmental controls. So to start with, we need the base unit and the patient unit, and then we need one of the following items. We could use the medical adhesive tape. So this is double-sided tape that goes onto this special holster. You then cut down to the size you need and place on the muscle. But for this demonstration, we're going to use the hook and loop strap. So I've got two hook and loop straps strapped together. And what we're going to do first is turn on the Emego base unit and then the patient unit. And you'll see that they are now connected. Place the patient unit into the holster. And I'm just going to take my hook and loop strap. I'm going to place it on my forehead around the centre of the forehead, just above the eyebrows. And it's on a flat surface so that we get a nice strong signal. I'm going to turn the audio function on the base unit. This is purely to help understanding how accurate the switch is. And to do that, we go into the audio function and then we're back into the patient unit function and then hold down the minus button. So we start with a clean slate and you'll hear a long beep. So this indicates that the Emego threshold is now at its lowest and it's at its most sensitive, so it's picking up everything. So what we need to do is hold down the plus button, and I'm just going to relax for a second. Now that beeping has stopped, and when I activate my muscles on my forehead, we'll get a clean signal. So each beep corresponds to a switch. And that's just with the Emego placed in the centre of the forehead. You can isolate the muscle to the sides if you so wish, and it also works with clenching the jaw as well. So when you clench your jaw with the Emego switch on the forehead, you can still get a switch. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a bit how to use the Emego on the forehead. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much.